In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off AI on Google. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Search. If the setting or experience you want to change depends on your Google account, make sure you're signed in first. That can help ensure any available preferences are tied to your account and applied more consistently across devices. Once you're on Google, the next thing to do is look for AI-specific options. Depending on your location and the version of Google currently being shown to you, you may notice features like AI-generated summaries or an AI mode built into search results. Google's interface can change over time, so what you see may not look exactly the same for everyone. If Google gives you a choice between an AI-assisted experience and a more traditional search view, choose the standard search option whenever it's available. That's usually the most direct way to reduce AI-generated elements in your results. Another useful method is to use the web results filter. After entering your search query, look across the top of the results page for the available filters and select web if you see it. This view typically focuses more on traditional website links and can make AI-generated content less prominent. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your search experience feel much more like classic Google. You can also improve your results by adjusting your search habits. Try using more specific keywords so Google understands exactly what you're looking for. If you want a very precise match, place an exact phrase inside quotation marks. You can also add helpful terms like forum, PDF, official website, or documentation when they fit your search. These additions often surface direct sources instead of broader AI-style summaries. Search operators can help too, especially when you want to narrow results and find more targeted information faster. Finally, keep in mind that some Google apps and services include separate AI features with their own settings. If there's a specific Google product where you want to reduce or disable AI assistance, open that app's settings menu and look for any AI-related preferences. If an option to disable or hide the feature is available, go ahead and turn it off. Just remember that not every Google product currently offers this level of control, so availability may vary. That's how to turn off AI on Google, or at least reduce how much AI appears in your search experience. If Google updates its interface in the future, the exact wording or placement of these options may change, but the overall process will stay very similar.